Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data. Export Outlook PSDs and save templates because Uninstall removes local settings. Once backed up, sign into an administrator account so you have rights to remove programs. Next, make sure real-time antivirus won't interfere. Temporarily pause it if needed. Then open Settings, go to Apps and choose Apps and Features. Locate Microsoft Office or each Office app entry. You'll be ready to run the built-in Uninstall or switch to the Removal Assistant when you click Uninstall. Once you've started Uninstall, follow on-screen prompts. Confirm removal and allow the process to complete. Make sure to restart if the wizard asks. If the built-in Uninstall fails or leaves remnants, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or Open Control Panel programs and features to uninstall legacy installers. Run the cleanup tool as administrator, select Office, and let it detect and remove all components. After the automated steps, check that Office folders under Program Files and app data are gone. You finish by rebooting and verifying Office apps won't launch. Confirm no Office services are running in Task Manager. If remnants remain, remove leftover program files and app data Office folders and check registry keys only if comfortable. Otherwise, use the cleanup tool again. Once done, sign back into Windows and re-enable antivirus. If something goes wrong, like activation errors or missing entries, run Office Repair from Programs and Features or rerun the Microsoft Removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.